the skeletal sports, muscle system, and the types of muscle tissues. What are the skeletal sports? Let's see first the activities that strengthen the skeletal system primarily through weight being and resistance exercise. So when we say weight bringing and resistance exercise, so pangpakuan sa ato ang hangin or papakusog sa ato ang mga lihok. Example ana is jumping rope, running, gymnastic, which loads the bones in sports like basketball, volleyball, and tennis. So ang jumping rope, running, and gymnastic. So magmuna ta sa jumping rope o sa running. Jumping rope o running, magpakusog sa mga paa or pampakusog sa hangin. Running, especially running, pampakusog sa itong wet pang para paghinga. Sa gymnastic is being flexible ato mga bukog, ato mga joints, silid bukog joints. And we go about skeletal or pampakusog sa bukog. Diyan na mapasok ang basketball, volleyball, o tennis. So, there are more than running and mas bunog ilang exercise kay implement sa liho. Strengthening training such as weightlifting and doing push-up also builds bone strength by putting stress on bones to stimulate growth. Bone strengthening activities weights bringing exercise, those force you to work against gravity. Mataingon nina na running, jumping, and bricks walking, jumping rope, and hopping, dancing, and stair climbing. Certain trainings. So na resilience exercise makes muscle and bones stronger. So makes our bones stronger. Na lang lifting ginagaminti. Body weight exercise, pull up, push up, curl up, pull po ng body weight exercise ng curl up. So kung mag-base sa skill-based sports, so magkontag strengthen sa skill-based kay ang push up, skill-based, those are the activities promote bones health through combination of impact and movement. Skill-based sports. So, dyan na magawas ang ma-healthy atong mga bones tanan sa pamagitan sa skills or malipay ka dyan musod ang basketball, jogging, and anything na volleyball, jogging so sports kay na ginahimo lang sports aron jogging. So badminton kana mo ang dagan-dagan or pakusog sa itong mga paghinga o itong pangabukog. Let's move on to what is the muscular system. So muscular system is an organ system consisting over 650 muscles that work within the nervous system to permanently movement and maintain posture and circulate blood. It is composed of three main types of muscle tissues. There are skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle are voluntary and attach to the bones, allowing the movement smooth. Muscles control internal organs, and cardiac muscle found only in the heart, pumps blood. These are the types of muscle. Skeletal muscle, those are the muscles that consistently control the movement of your body, such as those in limbs, and they are attracted to bones with tendons and make up about 40% of your body weight. So, skeletal muscle, at we say, makita na siya dari sa paa, sa bagtak, and anywhere na isa po na sa mga nagpapabuka sa tuwa, limit mga muscles. So when we go smooth muscle found in internal organs, body organs. So if you say internal organs, it is an involuntary muscle or skeletal muscle. This is a type of tissue of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle is muna siya tendon or sa mga muscle na pinapadako sa mga lalaki, more on arm, legs, So, move ta sa smooth muscle. Smooth muscle ta. Location niya ay usa smooth muscle. So, iko smooth muscle, these are the internal muscle. So, sulod sa kuan. Those are the muscle found in the walls of internal organs. So, when you say internal organs, so sila mo yung nakapta sa sulod sa organs na kuan. So, for yan location in your stomach, intestine. So, sila mo yung nagka-protect or nagka-control sa kuan ang internal na mga movements. Ang smooth muscle, it is an involuntary. When you say involuntary, wala dili na siya kailangan sugo sa atong utok or control nato para muliho ko lang siya iya jud. Dili pa ning isang skeletal muscle is voluntary kay kada siya na mga muscle kaya tuyo gani siya na kuan pabagaon o padakuon. So voluntary siya kay kailangan ka maghago jud para mo klaro or mapakita nimo ang kuan nimo skeletal muscles. Pero ito sa smooth muscles is dili na kakailangan magkuan mag ihok jud na ipapump sa nako ni ay ipadigest sa nako ni dili na voluntary na sa ay involuntary na or trabaho na niya na mo kuan jud na mo digest lo pagkaon. And we say cardiac muscle, this is the only muscle that found in the heart. So if you say in the heart, it just pump blood sa inside. So siya mo yung naga-distribute sa kuan tibok dugo sa tong lawas. Okay, pump blood yun no, heart. And I think, mana.